at Olympic National Park. We are in the HOH Rainforest.
Wow, can't stop smiling and can't stop going, wow. So we are here at, I think there's tide pools here at, how you say the beach name?
Kalaloch
Beach?
Yeah.
We think Kalaloch, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're here at these tide pools and you're seeing a lot of marine life like sea anemones.
Anemone. Welcome to Olympic National Park in all its majesticness. I'm pretty sure that's a word. If it's not, it is now. I think this is like hands down, so far in life, the most beautiful trail we've ever been on.
Absolutely.
We've hiked a lot of great trails, but this is just the spruce trees, the snow, the mountains, the wildflowers, like these huge valleys, and I mean,